Yes, sir. We're going to talk a little GameStop entering the NFT game and causing a bit of a stir. There was a huge monster move after market and a lot of momentum coming into this, and everyone was sort of interested to see if it could follow through. We're going to learn some lessons about this trade because it's going to be an overall winner, but I don't just want to focus on the actual trade itself. I want to focus on not getting caught up and married to a direction and possible things we can do even better next time. So let's always start with the higher time frame look. You got your 15-minute chart up here, and we can see you already had resistance at 158 to 160, two big key levels in the last couple of sessions, big down move, and then we get the aftermarket news that, hey, launching into NFTs, that's all you need for a headline these days to get a bit of a pump, and we get to move right into that 158 level. So that's the setup coming into the morning. We were actually testing below that price, setting us up for a break at that 158. Now, I know the last few weeks, breakout trades have not been the best way to go long. Buying dips has usually been a little bit better. So when taking this breakout, learning from that lesson, I said to myself, the first out has to be in front of that 160 level, and then I wanted the first turn to just take my profit. So it makes a high, first red candle, I'm essentially getting out right there, and then looking to see if it holds support. There was never a chance that it did that. But here's where you can always do better. Don't get married to one side of the trade. Once it broke below that 158 I should say, should have been looking for a short, because what happens? That same level of resistance from before, that 158 multi-level resistance where you had a fall of near 20% plus, that turns into resistance once again. And once that happens, you need to be looking for a short trade. As a matter of fact, 143 then ends up being another good spot that you could find on the daily chart. And I'm a guy who likes to short things all the time. So you can't just sit there and say, okay, good news, I won in a long trade, my day is done. We dodged a bullet, but we should have done better. Should have noticed that our good level turned into a golden level on the short side of the trade. Obviously disappointment for people who thought this news was going to launch it. Maybe it's done, maybe it's not done. Let us know. I'd always love to hear people's thoughts. Did you catch that short? Did you not even go into the long? Did you trade something else? But you have to be able to get better every single day, even when measuring your winners. It's about how you do better.